Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So some of you may know me, some of you may not. For the ones who don't, my name's Aisling, I'm 17 years old and I'm from Australia. So basically I just love anything to do with makeup, hair or beauty and a whole heap of other stuff. But that's going to be the main focus of my channel. I've basically wanted to do a YouTube channel for quite some time now. I've just gotten to the point where I'm like, hey, you know what, let's just do it. So here I am. As far as an uploading schedule goes, I don't really have one and I'm not really planning on having one. Just because I am in my final year of school, I do have a job and stuff, so I'm quite busy, but I'm going to try and make YouTube one of my priorities. So today I'm just filming this makeup look here. It's just my everyday makeup look. So let's just get on into it. First up, I'm just going to go in using my Too Faced Hangover Primer to prime my skin. Just a few little pumps. So first up, I'm just going in and using my Bourjois foundation, the Healthy Mix one, and that's just in the colour Vanilla, I think. Light Vanilla. So I'm just going to pump some of that onto the back of my hand. And then I'm just going to go in and cover my entire face with it, basically. Okay, so next up I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair Claire. And I'm just going to pop this one under my eyes and over my eyelids. And I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Okay, so next I'm going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm just going to pop some in the lid. And then I'm just going to dab my beauty blender in there and bake my under eyes. And I'm also just going to pop some on my lids as well. So while I'm waiting for that to set, I'm just going to grab my Australis Fresh and Flawless powder, and I'm using the shade Natural today. And I'm just going to pop that onto my Real Techniques powder brush and pop that pretty much all over my face, everywhere where I haven't baked. So next up, I'm just taking my dip brow in the shade Dark Brown and just going to go in and fill my brows in. I still have my powder under my eyes while I'm doing this. So next I'm just going to take this fluffy brush from Fearless Cosmetics and just wipe away any leftover powder. So I'm just going to take my Bourjois Maxi Bronzer in the shade 01 and I'm just going to pop that onto my Real Techniques powder brush. And I'm just going to dab a bit on there. And just go in under my cheekbones. And then just around my forehead, under my chin. And now I'm just going to do the exact same on the other side. So next I'm taking my Napoleon blush in Blush Patrol. And I'm just going to dab a tiny bit of that onto my multitask brush from Real Techniques. So next I'm just going to take my MAC highlighter in Latscapade. And I'm just going to pop that one onto my Real Techniques setting brush. And just going to pop it up here, a bit under my brow bone. And basically just on my cheekbones here. Brow bone. And now I'm just going to pop some down the centre of my face along my T-zone. So on the tip of my nose, my upper lip, and just a bit up here. Okay, so last of all, I'm just going to go in with some mascara. So today I'm using my Paradise Ecstatic from L'Oreal. So last of all, I'm just going to go in with my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray, and I'm just going to pop that all over. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, it would mean the world to me, and thank you for watching. Bye!